Welcome to Andorra, a small yet enchanting country nestled in the heart of the Pyrenees Mountains between Spain and France. Though tiny in size, Andorra is bursting with majestic landscapes, rich history, and vibrant culture that makes it one of Europe's hidden gems. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a history buff, or a relaxation enthusiast, this breathtaking destination has something for everyone. Let's dive into the best 8 places to visit and things to do in Andorra to inspire your next travel adventure. 1. Andorra la Vella, the charming capital of Andorra, is the perfect starting point for your adventure. This bustling city is renowned for its duty-free shopping, vibrant cultural scene, and historic landmarks. Take a leisurely stroll through the old town, Barri Antic, where you'll find beautiful stone houses, cobbled streets, and iconic buildings like Casa de la Vall, a former parliamentary house that dates back to the 16th century. The city is also home to numerous art galleries, museums, and quaint cafes where you can savor local delicacies. If you're looking for retail therapy, the city's main shopping street, Avinguda Meritxell, offers a variety of products from luxury brands to local crafts. Andorra la Vella is more than just a shopping hub, it's a delightful blend of old-world charm and modern attractions. 2. Andorra is a haven for winter sports enthusiasts, and Gran Valira is the crown jewel of its ski resorts. Spanning over 200 kilometers of slopes, it is the largest ski area in the Pyrenees and one of the top ski destinations in Europe. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced skier, Gran Valira offers a variety of slopes to suit all levels. The resort is equipped with state-of-the-art facilities, including ski schools, rental services, and après-ski entertainment. Beyond skiing and snowboarding, you can also enjoy activities like snowshoeing, dog sledding, and snowmobiling. For those visiting during the summer months, Gran Valira transforms into a paradise for hikers, mountain bikers, and nature lovers. The breathtaking mountain views and fresh alpine air make it a year-round destination worth exploring. 3. History and architecture lovers will be fascinated by Andorra's collection of Romanesque churches scattered throughout the country. These charming churches date back to the 9th and 12th centuries and are a testament to Andorra's rich cultural heritage. Some of the most notable churches include Sant Joan de Cassel in Canillo, with its striking bell tower and ancient frescoes, and Església de Sant Esteve in Andorra la Vella, known for its beautiful Romanesque architecture. Visiting these churches is like stepping back in time and offers a glimpse into the country's medieval past. 4. After a day of exploring, there's no better way to unwind than a visit to Caldea, the largest spa complex in southern Europe. Located in Escaldes and Gordoni, Caldea offers a unique wellness experience with its thermal waters sourced from natural hot springs. The spa features various indoor and outdoor lagoons, saunas, and relaxation areas, all set against a stunning backdrop of the Pyrenees. For a more exclusive experience, visitors can also explore the Inuu Wellness Center within Caldea, which offers personalized treatments and therapies. 5. For those who love outdoor adventures, Valnord Pal Arensal is a must-visit destination. This ski resort is ideal for families and offers a range of activities for all ages. In winter, enjoy skiing, snowboarding, and sledding, while summer months bring opportunities for mountain biking, hiking, and ziplining. The resort also hosts events and competitions throughout the year, making it a lively spot for both tourists and locals. With its stunning landscapes and family-friendly atmosphere, Valnord Pal Arensal is perfect for adventure seekers. 6. Andorra's natural beauty is best experienced through its hiking trails, and the Tristana Lakes are one of the country's most picturesque spots. Located in the Ordino parish, this trail offers stunning views of glacial lakes surrounded by towering peaks. The hike is moderately challenging, but the breathtaking scenery makes it worth every step. During the summer months, the area is lush with greenery and vibrant wildflowers, making it a photographer's dream. 7. For a unique family-friendly experience, head to Naturelandia, an adventure park located in the Rabassa forest. The park offers a wide range of activities, from a thrilling toboggan ride called Tobotronc to animal encounters in the park's wildlife area. Naturlandia is also a great place to explore Andorra's natural beauty, with hiking trails and panoramic views of the surrounding mountains. It's an ideal destination for families looking to combine adventure with nature. 8. A UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Madriu Perafita Claror Valley is a must-visit for nature lovers and hikers. This stunning valley covers about 10% of Andorra's territory and is home to a diverse range of flora and fauna. The valley offers various hiking trails that pass through ancient stone villages, lush meadows, and dense forests. It's a serene escape from the hustle and bustle, allowing visitors to connect with nature and learn about Andorra's traditional way of life. Andorra is a captivating destination that offers a unique blend of natural beauty, rich history, and modern attractions. From its charming capital to its stunning mountain landscapes, this tiny country packs a punch when it comes to travel experiences. Whether you're skiing down the slopes of Gran Valira, exploring ancient churches, or relaxing in a luxurious spa, Andorra has something for everyone. With its warm hospitality, breathtaking scenery, and diverse activities, Andorra is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. So why wait? Book your flights now and uncover the magic of this enchanting destination. Your Andorra adventure awaits. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and activate notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Happy travels!